So hi everyone. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about packages, and we discussed about modules and functions in our previous lectures. So in this lecture, we will be seeing how to import certain modules from a package. So package is nothing but a collection of modules. Okay. So there will be a directory. There is nothing but there will be a folder. Inside the folder, there will be a multiple Python files. That those are nothing but modules, and we will be able to retrieve the classes and objects which are present inside the modules, different modules, and those will come inside one package. Okay, so based on the definition here, suppose you have a developed a very large application that includes many modules. Okay, so if you want to segregate the modules, and if you want them to be at a separate place, what you're going to do is just create a package. There is nothing but create a folder and put all the modules inside the folder, so it will be easy to access between for example, if you are trying to access a class from module 1 and into module 3, so what you're going to do is just import module 1 into inside the module 3 file. Okay, so that is how the packages are used, and creating a package is a little bit confusing, and it is easy but it is little bit confusing. So I'll be showing you how to create a package. So what you're going to do is just open the folder and just create a new folder first. Let us just create package 2, and inside package 2 just go into Visual Studio Code, and here we got package 2, right? So inside package 2, let us just write module1.py. So first let us write a small piece of code inside this module. So let us just write class C1. Let us write a constructor self, and let us also take one parameter inside self comma x. Let us take self dot x equal to x, and let us also take one method that is nothing but a function inside the class, and let us take one function as function1, and with no parameters. Let us first try to do that one, and after that let us also try to do that one with multiple parameters also. And let us just return a string value return, and inside the single quotes let us write returning a value from function1 comma module1. Okay, so this is the thing, module1, and let us just run it. Make sure that there are no errors inside this code. So once it is being run successfully, we can create another module for demonstration. Okay, so we'll be doing exactly like this one. We'll be doing module 1, module 2, and a test that is nothing but the main Python file, and this is a mandatory underscore init underscore file, which the file is mandatory for every package. Okay, so this PyCatch is automatically created when we execute the programs. Okay, so let us also create a module 2 now. Just go here, new file, module2.py. Now let us take class C2. Let us initiate. Let us write our constructor here, self, and now let us take a default value, self dot y equal to 10. Let us take, let us write one more method, function2, and without parameters, and we have to write self here, right? Even though without parameters, we should write self because they are inside the class. And let us just return a string. I'm just returning a string. You can do whatever you want here. Okay, we'll also see the advanced examples as well. Returning function2 from module 2. Okay, so let us just run it. Yes, let us also run this one, and we also need to create underscore init underscore dot py, and let us just run this as well. And after this one, let us just create a main file, main underscore file dot py. And in order to import this one, we already know the syntax, right? Let us take from module 1 import, what is the main class name? C1, right? You can write multiple classes inside the same file. Okay, import C1, and let us just create an object for that one. Object 1 equal to C1, and let us try to access this function and the value of this one as well. Okay, so we need to pass a value here, right? Because we have taken the value of x inside the constructor of the C1 class. So object1 dot x, and let us also print the function value, right? obj1 dot function1. Now let us try to run this. Yes, it is running successfully, right? So let me just go here, package to, yes, PyCatch. We can see this one, right? PyCatch is automatically generated by Visual Studio Code or any IDE. Okay, so this is just a compiled Python files. We have nothing to do with that one. Okay, so this is how packages work. Okay, so we are importing separate classes from another files. Okay, so for example, in the inbuilt modules such as math and etc., from math import POW, from math import SQRT. These are the packages which are available. Okay, and let us also import our module 2. From module 2 import C2. Now before that, let us create an object for C2 class as well. In C2 class, we did not give any extra parameter, right? Only self. And what is the value? And self.y we can take, and function2. And let us just write here obj2.y, and let us write obj2.function2. Okay, so let me just run this program. Yes, we are returning a value from function1 module 1 for this one, and phi is returning to this one, and obj2.y, what is the value of y? What is the value we gave here? 10, right? So we're getting 10. And next we are returning object2.function2, right? And it is returning a function2 from module 2. Okay, so this is what is happening. And for example, let me add one more class here, class C2. Let us just take C3, and let me write another constructor for this class as well. And here now let me take x2 comma x3, x2 comma x3, x2 comma x3, self dot x2 equal to x2, self dot x3 equal to x3. Okay, and let me take define add both. Just take self here, return self dot x2 plus self dot x3. Okay, so now let me just import that one as well, module 1, right? And inside module 1, let us also import C3. Let me just run it before. Okay, and let me just create an object for that one, C3, and we should pass two numbers, 6 comma 8. Let us take, and print obj3 dot add both. Okay, now let me just run it. 14. Okay, what is 6 plus 8? 14, right? So there is no limitation for how many classes which you need to put inside a module. Okay, you can put infinite number of classes, and you can put any number of functions as well. And the same works with module 2 also. Okay, so you can have any number of modules inside a package, and this init file is must underscore init underscore dot py file is must. Okay, and for testing everything, whether the packages are working fine or not, what we're going to do is just create a main underscore file dot py. Okay, and you can import everything from here, from module 1 import that the class name. Okay, so this is very easy, right? So let me just brief how to create a package. So first what you're going to do is go to a folder, just create a folder anywhere of your choice. Okay, just create a folder package 2, and inside package 2 just write module 1 and module 2. Okay, so in module 1 just create a class c1 and write a constructor for this one, and write a function for that one. And writing multiple classes is your choice, and if you want to explore advanced programs in packages, write some 2 or more classes. Okay, and next module 2, and in module 2 we can write the same thing. Just for multiple files accessing, I wrote module 2, and underscore underscore init dot py, underscore underscore init dot py, and this is must file inside Python. Okay, in order to run packages. And after that, main underscore file.py is for testing the packages. Okay, so I hope you got it, and if you guys have any kind of doubts, do not hesitate to ping us. We are here to help you, and that's it from my side, and thank you guys.